friends, welcome to my channel Become Buddy. I hope you are doing well and I'm also doing great. Today I want to talk about our career after BCom. So without any wasting of time, let's start this video. Because I am also a student just like you and I know the biggest question on our mind is BCom के बाद क्या? A lot of people say BCom is a basic degree. But that is myth. It is a foundation. Today I'm breaking down the best career path into three categories. First, professional. Second, academic. And the third last is creative or new age. First, let's talk about the heavy hitters. These are for those who love the core subjects we study. First, chartered accountant. I'm sure many of you already know. In fact, most of you might be studying for it right now or at least something about starting it because it is the most popular career among us BCom students. Let's see if it is actually the right fit for everyone. But wait, अगर आपको नंबर से डर लगता है but you love theory and law, then the next option is best for you and that is CS. If you like law and corporate governance more interesting than pure math, CS is brilliant path. And the third option is CMA, often underrated, but CMA is huge in the manufacturing and corporate world for the cost control. Let's move on the second category. Now, what if you want to work for a multinational company, even go for abroad? You don't have to do a 5-year course for that. The first is ACCA or CPA. These are like global CAs. The best part, as a BCom student, you get the exemptions, meaning you don't have to give all the exams. And the second is CFA, means Chartered Financial Analyst. If the stock market, investment banking, and the equity share excite you, CFA is the ultimate tag. And the third last is in this category, digital marketing and data analyst. Believe it or not, BCom plus data analyst is a deadly combination. Companies need people who understand business plus data together. Let's move on the third category. If you're not ready for professional certificate, here are traditional yet solid route. First is MBA. Don't just do MBA from anywhere. Aim for CAT or GMAT, an MBA in finance or marketing from a good college can change your life. And the second is MCOM. If you love academics, do your MCOM, clear the NEET exam, and you can become a professor. Third is government exam. Our BCom subjects help a lot in banking, means IBPS or SSC CGL exams, which give us an edge over science students. And the last category is my buddy advice. A final piece of advice, don't sit idle. Even if you are confused, start a small internship or a 3-month skill course. Experience matters more than just the degree. I hope this helped you clear the fog in your head. If you have any specific question about any of these courses, comment below. I will try to find the answers for us. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. Let's grow together.